Okay, hello people. It's me again, Susan. But today I have two wonderful people next to me. Firstly, I will speak with wonderful girl.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Tamara.
Okay, nice to meet you, Tamara.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Serbia.
Okay, cool. Where do you live? What city?
I'm from in Belgrade.
Okay, and tell me, what kind of food do you like?
Watermelon.
What else? Do you like meat, chocolates, ice cream? What do you like?
Ice cream and chocolate.
Okay.
And meat.
Okay. Which one? Pork, lamb, beef, svinjetina,
Beef.
Okay, cool. Okay, and what is your favorite color?
Red and blue.
Okay, and what is your favorite movie?
Um,
You can say, I don't have a favorite movie.
I don't have a favorite movie.
Okay, and what genres do you like? Actions, comedies?
Actions.
Okay, perfect. I like comedies, actions, and thrillers as well. Okay, thank you, Tamara.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to speak with another great person.
Hi.
Hi, can you introduce yourself? Ne treba. So, can you, sorry, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, I can. I'm Andrea, and I'm fourth grade, and I'm 10 years old.
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in Serbia and Belgrade.
Okay, and so tell me, what do you think? Why people should come to Serbia? What would you say? Kao zašto bi trebali da dođu u Srbiju? Šta voliš ovde?
Because of air pollution.
And of course because of food, yes?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Okay, what's your favorite food from Serbia?
Beans.
Interesting.
Or pork chop.
Okay, what about pljeskavica? Do you like it?
No.
No! How is that possible?
I don't like it.
Okay, do you like sweets?
Yes.
Wow!
don't
Amazing! Liar! Liar! Okay, what kind of sweets do you like? Cookies, cakes, chocolates, ice creams?
Everything.
Everything! Wow, that's my man. High five. Cool. And what about films? What films do you like?
Actions.
Okay, do you have a favorite actor?
No.
No? Okay. I do. Jackie Chan. I like Jackie Chan. Do you like Jackie Chan?
I don't know who he is.
Okay. You will see later. Okay, and last question. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Dark?
No, green.
Okay, dark or light?
Dark.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you. That's all. Thank you so much for participating.
Thank you for that, and bye.
Okay, bye. See you next time.